Well, there you go. Videos are always better in my opinion. Wow, I didn't know the hat came off. Oh, there's something in the hat there. Just took it out of the box. I took the plastic off. Got this in an estate sale. Very rare to be in this condition, from what I've seen. I'm trying to be very careful with this item. So it comes with the hat. Comes with the box. Comes with a certificate. Yeah, look at the bottom. No big deal. So if you have any questions, thanks for looking. Here's the box.